Hello, my name is Lucy Hansen with Cascade Miniatures of Oregon, and today we're going to do a round table, the laundry room. We'll switch cameras and go down to our workspace. And here we are at the workspace. You're going to do a washer, a dryer, a water heater, and the little extra thing called a shelf that goes above your washer and dryer. First, let's talk about the tools that you're going to need. And to do that, I'm going to have to back out a little bit. There we go. The tools you're going to need: wood glue. I put my glue in a small bottle with a fine tip on it. A pair of scissors. A pair of tweezers. A good sharp point on it. X-Acto knife. Let's move this stuff aside. A glue jig. And for paint, I use a dry erase so that it's low odor, nice wide end on it. Let's put our tools away and take our first step. But keep that glue handy. First thing you're going to want to do is get your kit and dump it in a tray or some place where you can kind of keep track of all of the parts. One of the parts that you may miss is the little black dots. You have to have 2 of them. You have a little pair of pads or bubbles, I guess, washer and dryer, the water heater. We have the shelf and the brackets and the graphics. And we're getting way too much light here, and it's kind of hard to see. So let's just take that light away. There you go. Now, I tried to cut all of the graphics so that you had excess on one side. That's what your scissors are for. You may want to trim your graphics so that it is parallel to one side and you've got excess on the other. You're also going to want to cut the bottom right on the line. That's going to make a difference of how you get that piece of paper on that water heater. Let's set that aside and do the first thing that we've got to do is make our shelf that goes above the washer and dryer. Now, to do that, I use my glue jig. I put a magnet right in the middle. Then I take my wood glue, little bit of glue on top. You don't need much. This goes on the end. Let's go to a narrower clamp. Now I'm going to do the next one. Again, very little glue. Push them in and let that dry. The average drying time for handling with wood glue is about 10 minutes. After that, it's pretty solid. Actually, wood glue takes 24 hours to completely dry, 24 to 48. Now, You got your shelf done. Your washer and dryer have the graphics already on them. You can't see it if I get it up too close to the camera. First thing you're going to do is take the black dot off of its backing. Do you see the little white thing? That's the backing. You're going to position this little black dot right in the middle of the top. Then you're going to remove one of these peel and stick dots and put it right on top. You got your washer. Now let's do it again for the dryer. Peel it toward you. Get the other bubble. That's peel and stick on the back. Now you got your washer and your dryer. Now comes the tougher part. Water heater should be blue on top. So I use the part that's on top, I'm doing blue. Rotate it. So you got one that's all blue at the top. We're going to trim off all the blue on this as well. This is peel and stick. So you're going to peel one corner toward you until you can see the backing. Pull the backing off. Set this aside. Excess goes on first. Flush at the bottom. And roll. Roll. Make sure this is stuck. Roll again. And your water heater is done. Let's see what that all looks like when you put it together. You put your stand in a corner or wherever you're going to put your stand. You put your stand down first, your water heater up on top of the stand. Washer and dryer actually should be right next to each other. Let's grab a stand. That little guy sits on the stand. I don't have an extra stand in a kit. There. Pretty fast, pretty easy. And if you have any questions, it's hansonminis@me.com. Let's switch cameras again. Not that hard to do, huh? If you have any questions, be sure and contact me in email, hansonminis@me.com, or I can arrange for us to meet in a video conference. Thank you for purchasing my laundry room.